Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Wishing you all a happy weekend. Last week was very interesting. We saw many stocks moved as per the analysis and we made money as well. So let's have a quick weekly review of DFM market index. But before that, if you are new on this channel, subscribe for free daily updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market, on the notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And yes, please, after watching this video, if you think it has helped you, then do not forget to support the channel by hitting the like button. This is the weekly chart of DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. We are seeing a solid momentum from about 3,975. Market was trading within this triangle chart pattern, and after the breakout we saw continuous momentum to the upside till about 4,280 points. And from here market started to retrace. This candle with a long wick till about 4,030 points was due to the geopolitical scenarios. Market was under panic. We saw extreme selling pressure and then it came down till about 4,030 points, almost at the breakout level. And from here the best part is market has recovered more than 100%. We are seeing market is now trading above 4,250 points. Last closing is at 4,292. On the weekly chart, DFM market index is looking extremely bullish. There are no signs of negativity. As we can see, last weekly green candle indicates there are still chances of continuation to the upside. On the weekly chart, resistance stands at 4,360 points. Once this area of resistance, that is 4,300 points, is taken out, we will see more upside momentum. So let's go down to the daily and see how the chart is looking. Here we can see a nice recovery, and as I had mentioned in my last video, if you are watching my analysis regularly, I had mentioned there is minor resistance around this area, that is 4,300 to 4,015 points. It's better if market takes a pause here, because we saw previously this area, that is 4,240, was resistance. Market took a pause here and then we saw a fresh leg to the upside. So again, now market wants to take a breather. Market may either spend some time here above 4,290 points, or even if it comes down for a correction, we have strong support area at 4,240. Obviously on the way down, market has created minor support zones. In a bull run, whenever market hits minor support zones, it takes a bounce and continues its upside momentum. So overall, on the daily chart, we are seeing market is just taking a pause. There is no sign of panic or negativity. Once this resistance is taken out, then I think market will come in the danger zone, that is between 4,360 and 4,400 points. Worst come worst scenario, even as I mentioned, if at all it wants to come down for a correction, this zone should act as a support and then we may see a good bounce to the upside. Overall, market is very positive. There are very good opportunities, so pick it at the right time at the right price. This is the weekly chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Check this out. Last candle is very solid, it's powerful, it's strong. There are no signs of negativity. We are seeing strong bounce from 8,700 points. It moved up, minor resistance at 8,972 points. Market took a breather, it just took a pause here, and then from here we are seeing all green candles. As I had mentioned, when market touches important area of resistance, if at all we are seeing a strong run directly, market will take a breather and then it will continue its upside momentum. So what happened is market went sideways for about 3 to 4 weeks here. Obviously, this long candle with long tail is due to the geopolitical scenarios. We can ignore this one. Best part is market has recovered more than 100%. In fact, it's trading above the resistance area, so this is extremely bullish to me. Next area of resistance on the weekly chart for ADX market is 9,400. That is very near. Last closing is at 9,373. Let's go down to daily and see how the chart is looking of ADX market index. Check this out. Almost all green candles from this area, that is 9,160, that is support. After this strong rally to the upside, it came down for a correction. This was a small retracement, and from here again we are seeing almost all green candles. Check this out. We are seeing 7 green candles back to back. Market did not take a pause. Yes, last daily candle that we are seeing on the chart, as I had mentioned, in a bull run, when market tries to correct itself, any minor support zone will act as a demand area. We can see a momentum to the upside. Exactly the same scenario is seen on the daily chart of ADX market index. Check this out. It moves up, comes down, it finds demand here, new buyers join in, and then it continues again to the upside. Small retracement, new buyers join in the market, and upside. We are seeing similar kind of scenario in last trading session as well, that is Friday's session. Check this out, market was trading very positively. It came down during the day till about 9,333. As I have already marked the zone, that is 9,350. This is support area. Market came down and we could see fresh buying coming in. Closing is above the support zone at 9,373. So you may mark this area on your charts as well. If at all you are using TradingView or even your broker's account, this is demand zone, that is 9,353. In case if it wants to come down again, we have support areas at 9,330. We also have at 9,300. And similarly there are many support zones. So I don't see any signs of worries even if it comes down during the week for a correction or a retracement. Since we are seeing all green candles, there are chances when it comes down immediately we should see fresh buying, and it may even break out 9,400 level. With the last weekly closing, both the markets are looking extremely bullish. There are very good chances of continuation. This is the daily chart of Presight. It's one of the stock that is performing very well. Let me give you a quick recap. Previously, right here, this was the accumulation phase. We picked up our entries into this zone. On the way up, we made good profits. It came back exactly at the breakout zone, that is 2.10. So this becomes our demand zone. From here, it went up, small correction, and it hit a high of 2.60. From here, it went sideways. There were good chances of a breakout to hit 2.63 and 2.72 area. But from here it could not perform well. It started to decline in a negative fashion. It came back exactly at the support zone, that is 2.10. And from here again we are seeing a positive price action. Resistance stands at 2.50. Our planned entries last week was right into this zone, that is 2.30 area. This is the place where I had recommended my members to take entries. From here our first target was very near, that is 2.40, and then we were targeting 2.50. Both the targets are hit, profits are now booked, but I was expecting a correction after it hit 2.50. Although it just printed one red candle, and with last candle close, this candle is still showing us selling pressure. But in Monday session, if at all it opens with a gap up, then there are good chances it may survive. Support stands at 2.40 area. If it comes down, we can expect a bounce from here, and there are good chances it may even break out 2.50. Other scenario can be maybe it can open with a gap up and then continue its bullish run. Then there are chances it may even close about 2.50, and then we may target 2.60 and 63 area as our profit booking zone. Overall, Presight is strong. It's looking positive. After a deeper correction, that is right from this area around 2.60, it came down to revisit the support area, and from here now it's following this trend line that is acting as a support. In case if it opens with a gap down in Monday session, then there are chances it may like to visit this area of support, that is between 2.37 to 2.40 area. So guys, this was the quick market updates. For more detailed analysis and my stock recommendations with entries and exit, you may scan this QR code and join my membership. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.